Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I have in front of me, in my midst of tidying, I have yet another Commodore 64. And I will plug it in, turn it on. Not working. Okay, I'll put in just the diagnostic cartridge on its own, see if anything comes up, and indeed, it does not. Okay, so, let's see here. There's not as much as testing to be done on something like this, because of course, it's not working. But before I put the lid on, and then forget what's what. Okay. C64. Oh, I see it's got a numbering in a strange place. 25040725047. Artwork 2511137. 251137. Dead. Yeah. One ROM chip plus two small chips. Socket it. Vic is socketed, I suppose. Anyway, we're not going to get into fixing this now. I'm going to look around and say, okay. What else? Okay, this was from the November 2023. Dead test zip cart. Yeah, it's gonna take. I'm gonna put, of course, what is the main thing that probably is PLA, but of course, because it has a couple of chips that are in sockets, even though it is unlikely that they are the cause of the trouble, I will try them first. So, the keyboard goes back in. The LED goes on. Now, one of the fingers that holds the back of this case is broken. But I know it's the right one. The other ones fit nicely, as nicely as they do. A little snappage. And then we look for the screws. And we find the screws. They are Phillips, they are not Torx. Come on, come on, come on. And away we go. Alright, now more documentation required. Okay, so it's a P 0 1 4 2 2 1 3 0. Case is a little discolored. Case yellowed. Wipe down. And who knows if I still have this. After a while, perhaps I will do the thing where I put it out in the sun some. That helps. Yes, also, November 2023. Alright, now, what I'm going to do here, this one has all these wonderful vents. I'm not going to cover up the vents with the documentation. I will put them over here. I will tape them down. And I will get this out of the way, I say. And, ooh, I can't see. And I will continue with this adventure. What is that? That's the top of this. Oh, okay, right. This one is one that I had out in the sun. Okay, its machine is downstairs. I will take it downstairs. I shall. I see a couple of wayward screws. That is annoying. Probably, maybe, from the 128. Maybe. I am not sure. Anyway, that is it for this moment. I do see there's lots more to do to get this area cleared out. I do. So, thanks for coming. We'll see you again as the box room gets tidy. And yes, perhaps there'll be more boxes, if that is possible. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.